Ladies and gentlemen, if you've ever looked at a tiny house and thought, nice, but where would I stash my Tesla? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into a prefab that not only redefines tiny living, but parks your car underneath like it's the Batcave for digital nomads. Now, before we roll into this zero-emission daydream with a surprise garage and a bed on wheels, go ahead and smash that subscribe button to join the CampAvto crew. Trust me, you don't want to miss another episode of Is This House Smarter Than My Neighbor Greg? Let's talk about the Node by Nomad Nation. This thing is less of a house and more of a tech-savvy transformer that drinks sunlight and hides your Honda. We're working with 550 square feet, 51 square meters, of sleek, open-concept design built right onto a steel platform. Why? So you can slide two vehicles under it like it's a high-tech game of hide-and-seek. Inside, it's giving luxury condo vibes on tiny house terms. I believe what I liked the most was the elevated home office, a lofted command center that lets you Zoom call in your PJs while pretending you don't live in a house that can be assembled faster than my neighbor finishes a crossword. The bedroom? That's not just a room. It's a shape-shifting yoga studio by day and a rolling bed-on-wheels oasis by night. Literally, the bed has wheels. You push it into the central island area like you're docking a spaceship. I tried something similar once with a futon and a ramp. Long story short, don't try that at home unless you're the Node. And let's not forget the net zero ready tech. Solar panels? Check. Radiant floor heating? Yup. LED lights, smart blinds, tankless water heater. This thing is greener than my buddy Todd after eating gas station sushi. It's prefab, foundation free, and stylish enough to make your HOA weep. Full-size matte black appliances bring the drama, while the oversized terrace makes you look like you own the whole neighborhood. Nomad Nation said, "You want a price? You tell us where you live first." It's custom built for your location, your plan, and probably your patience level. But hey, you can also license the plans and build it yourself, which sounds like a great idea until you remember your last IKEA meltdown over a nightstand. And if you've laughed, learned, or at least nodded awkwardly in agreement, hit that thumbs up and consider becoming a sponsor of CampAvto for just $1 a month. That's less than a bottled water at an airport, and it helps keep the sarcasm flowing like radiant heat on a winter morning.